By the end of this module, you'll have mastered the core Canva plus AI tools right from your phone with clear step-by-step tutorials designed to help you build practical real-world skills. You've already covered about 80 to 85% of Canva Mobile's powerful features, laying a strong foundation for creating stunning designs confidently. To keep things manageable and ensure you don't get overwhelmed, the remaining 15 to 20% of advanced features like video editing, animation, collaboration tools, and print services will be covered in a special mini sub-course launching next week. As you practice alongside these videos, we encourage you to share your thoughts and progress in the comments. Tell us about your favorite design, your biggest breakthrough, or any questions you have. Your insights help build a supportive BrandMonk community where we learn and grow together. Remember to pause often, keep experimenting, and stay tuned for the next exciting part of your Canva journey. The best is yet to come.